In this video, I'll show you how to change your address on Temu. Start by opening up the app. Now, once you're in here, just make sure to log in. Just go ahead and go to the U section right here at the bottom. Once done, just tap on the icon right here at the top left and make sure to sign in. All right. In these tabs right here, just go ahead and select addresses. All right. Tap on it. As you can see here, I have my main or default address right here. Now to add a new address, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the add a new address button. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. As you can see here, we'll be able to add another location. Just for example, I'm going to type in, of course, your name and your phone number just to verify. Once done, add your province. All set, and the address. If you want to be more specific, for example, your apartment building or whatever it is, it could be a green gate with a doorbell besides San Juanico Crossing. All right, once you're done with that, if you want to make this as your default Temu address, just go ahead and tap on the slider right here to make it your default. All right, or if you just want to add this particular address, just go ahead and tick this one. And once done, just hit on save. And as you can see here, you have two addresses available. You can just go ahead and select one. For example, you're currently in this place right now. Just go ahead and tick on set as default and it will be on top of the list. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.